not need money to be stylish. What you need are the perfect clothes for your wardrobe, which is why today I am going to show you how to build the perfect wardrobe with the perfect items from scratch. I've been posting videos on the internet for over 2 years now, and I've been using my clothes, and it's not like I always shop for clothes. I've been using the same clothes I have over and over again, but I've just been able to mix and match them differently to form different outfits for different scenarios. So trust me, I know how building a perfect wardrobe works. So before we proceed, you need to know what a capsule wardrobe is. You need to know what you are trying to create. Building a capsule wardrobe is when you intentionally curate versatile items that can be mixed and matched to form different outfits easily. Regardless of the look or vibe you are going for, these items are there for you. Having a capsule wardrobe has so many benefits. It reduces clutter in your wardrobe, reduces mental stress when picking an outfit. You know, you can be so stressed when you have so many clothes in front of you, but yet you still have nothing to wear. Like, you don't even know where to start from when picking an outfit. It helps you save money when shopping because you just know what you need to add to your wardrobe. You know what you need to get, you know when you need to shop and how you need to shop. And at the end of the day, you just always have something stylish to wear, regardless of how quickly you need to put an outfit together. Now that you know the benefits to having a capsule wardrobe, let's get into the items that make up a capsule wardrobe. These items I'm going to be giving you are items that would work 100%. I can guarantee you. I'm going to be going over tops, pants, shoes, and other items you need. Starting with tops, you need to get t-shirts. I mean simple plain t-shirts with no logos on them, in white, black, and any other neutral color. Could be beige, olive green, or navy blue. The reason for the color choice is so that they can be paired and mixed with other items I'll be listing later in this video. Neutral colors would always be easy to pair with other bold colors. Whenever you want to add a pop of color to your outfit, these neutral base and neutral colors will just blend in. This right here is an example of a simple plain t-shirt that fits just right. I have this one here in olive green, which is also a neutral color. Now, still in this category tops, the next item you need to get is a dress shirt. Dress shirt is a must-have if you want to have the perfect wardrobe. They have greatly improved the way I dress. Dress shirts can be worn as a standalone, they can be worn as the underlayer, and they can be worn as the overlayer, and they can also be styled in different ways to suit whatever vibe you want. For colors, get them in black or white, or you can do both if you are not on a budget. For me, I prefer a more lighter vibe, so I have white dress shirt, and this just resonates with my style. Don't go getting a white dress shirt because I told you to. Get a color that resonates with your style or vibe. Now, still on tops, the next item you want to get is a jacket or a blazer. If your lifestyle requires more casual outfits, you could 100% go for a jacket, but if you are in a more corporate setting, go for a blazer. These are just perfect for dressing up an outfit and adding that extra depth to your fit. Also, don't forget that a blazer can also be styled casually. A more fitted blazer for the dressed up look, and an oversized blazer for a more relaxed vibe. And for jackets, I'll totally recommend a corduroy jacket in neutral color. I have this navy blue one that I love so much. And now for the last item under tops, this is because some days would be really cold. Get a hoodie or sweatshirt in neutral colors. These are perfect for days where you just want to feel cozy and relaxed in your space. Your hoodie and sweatshirt can come in handy. This can be worn as a standalone or as a perfect layer, which just has this versatility if you get them in the perfect color for you. I would 100% recommend getting a beige or ash hoodie, and for sweatshirts, black or ash. These are perfect colors that will mix and match with different items in your wardrobe. And that's it for tops. We have simple plain tees, dress shirts, hoodies, jackets, blazers, or sweatshirts. And getting them in neutral color is the best thing you can do for yourself, because this allows you to mix and match them easily with some of the items I'll be listing next in this video. Now for pants, I'm going to be starting with the most versatile item of this bunch: simple plain jeans. Jeans can also be regarded as man's best friend because they are there for you regardless of your style, age, and vibe. They are also the king of versatility as they can be styled with different type of outfits, most especially the blue jeans. They can also be dressed up or down depending on the look you're going for. So having a plain blue jean that fits just right is a great step in building your perfect capsule wardrobe. For pants, the next item you need to get are simple flowy trousers. I would also recommend getting them in neutral colors because this makes it easy to mix with the tops I've listed so far and some of the other items I'll list in this video. These are pants you want to wear for a more dressed up vibe. For days when you want to be more formal than casual, just somewhere you would not want to put on a jean too because you don't want to be appeared to be too casual. For pants, this next item is just very important to me and I don't joke with them, and that's because they never let me down. Cargo pants. Cargo pants are becoming the new king of versatility and they are everywhere these days. That's not just because it's a trend and it's going to fade away. It's simply because of what it brings to your wardrobe. Versatility, style, style, comfort. Can't even name it all at this point. Cargo pants is just that thing every guy should have in their wardrobe if they want to be stylish. One color I would 100% recommend for cargo pants is olive green. Olive green cargo pants are easy to style and they just bring this special vibe and feel when you put them on compared to other colors. Another color for cargo pants I would recommend getting is the khakis if you are not on a budget. For pants, the last item you want to get are sweatpants. It's not every day you want to be all dressed up. Sweatpants are king of comfort. I would recommend getting them in black or ash. Now that's it for pants. You're going to need a simple plain blue jean, simple flowy trousers, cargo pants and sweatshirt. These pants alone are enough to create a variety of outfits if you get the perfect fits for you. For the next category, shoes. The first type of shoes you would want to get are everyday shoes. These are shoes you can wear for errands. These are shoes you can either dress up or down. They are shoes that can easily go with any outfit you have based on your lifestyle. For this one, I would recommend getting Vans or simple Air Jordans. These are simple shoes that are just so versatile. The next type of shoes you should get are simple plain white sneakers. The white Air Force is just an easy pick for this category. It can be regarded as the king of sneakers, the king of versatility. You can literally wear your white sneakers with anything and it will just work. That's how versatile it is. It can be styled differently and you can add your own personal and unique touch to them. The next type of shoes you should get are loafers. Black loafers to be precise, especially when you are just starting out. This will work for a more formal outfit. When you want to be more dressed up, your black loafers come in handy. You don't even need to get the very expensive ones. Simple black loafers will just do the job. So don't worry about spending your money on overly expensive shoes. Remember, you don't even need expensive items to be stylish at the end of the day. The last item under this category, shoes, are boots. Boots will instantly elevate any outfit. Whenever you're feeling lazy, whenever you just don't have the strength to put together a very sophisticated outfit, throw on a boot. Regardless of how boring your outfit looks, your boot is just going to elevate it. So a black boot is a very important thing to have in your wardrobe. And that's it for shoes. We have your everyday sneakers, we have your simple white sneakers, we have your loafers, we have your boots. These shoes can just be easily mixed and matched with every pant I have listed in this video, therefore helping you create countless outfit options. I am telling you this from experience. I really do not think a lot when I want to put together an outfit because I know I have the perfect items in my wardrobe to put together a good outfit. For the last category of items you need to create the perfect capsule wardrobe for you: accessories. Simple wristwatch, bracelets, rings, sunglasses, scarves, bags, just anything that brings this extra detail and intention to your outfit. It can help you add color, it can help you elevate your outfit. Accessories to an outfit is just like icing to cake. It just makes it look more put together, it makes it look more beautiful. And this is where you add your personal touch, as your accessories are always going to be unique to you. Remember, you don't need to spend all your money on accessories to prove a point. Simple accessories can as well do the job. At least they've been doing it for me. And that's it, guys. These are all the items you would need to build the perfect capsule wardrobe for you. If you also get these items the perfect fit for you, it will greatly improve your style. When next you go shopping, pay more attention to your wardrobe. Having the perfect capsule wardrobe for you is about having quality over quantity, and it just makes fashion simple, efficient and stylish. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to fashion item to building your own perfect capsule wardrobe. And is there any item you think I have missed and something I should have talked about? Also let me know in the comments. I would love to respond to that. If this video has been helpful and you need more tips on how to improve your style, watch this video.